This video is going to cover stocks and groups moving up smart groups and stocks and groups moving down smart groups. Now the way I have this set up is I have stocks and groups moving up. What this group does, or what it is a group of stocks which are included in this view, or included in the smart group I should say, because they are driven there by a combo ranking. These are the stocks that were in demand on the prior trading day. And this includes all stocks which are assigned to groups. So the filter accesses the smart group directly. And then it is driven in this view by the industry percentage price change one day. And the way I set it up, or the reason I set it up that day, is I wanted to see the strongest groups from the current day. The current day if you're doing your downloading at night, or the prior day if you download in the morning. So if you look at this, you can see that the industry percentage price change as of Friday, and I'm doing this on a Monday afternoon, it was 3.82%, and the percentage price change for 5 days was 6.32% for the construction and mining machinery. And you can see how this is all nicely sorted for us. We can tell which groups are moving and how much they are moving based upon this column right here. So if you want to see how this group performs the following day in this order using Thinkorswim, you just go to the turn on view combo, turn on and off, and then I can move down to the stocks and groups moving up smart group intraday, and you can see that none of these changed. So this way, the way I've got it set up, if you want to see if these groups or these stocks within these groups are continuing up the following day. Or you can engage the filter for the stocks and groups moving up smart group intraday view, which is the effort versus result filter, and you can see that Google or Alphabet is at the top here, followed by Roku based upon supply and demand. Now Roku is way up today on another recommendation. This is clearly the momentum favorite right now. It's up 9.28%. Now I have not updated these groups intraday. If you'll look here, let me get back up to the top. Roku is now on top, and remember this number, 0.55, that's what it was up Friday under consumer electronics. I'm going to pause the video after maybe I don't even have to pause it. I'm going to go into industries, and I'm going to go under tools. I'm going to click on rebuild industries in groups, and you can see that the groups are being rebuilt very quickly, and these groups are using the data, the intraday data from Thinkorswim. So it's current data. I believe that group number was 0.55 as of Friday. So let's go back and look at it now, and you can see the industry today is up 3.32%. So we have great visibility on what's going on with these groups. So that's stocks and groups moving up, and here's the same thing, stocks and groups moving up smart group $1 to $15. This is where they sat on Friday, or where they were on Friday at the close. And once again, if I click on this and go to the intraday version, you can see which of these are following through, because the combo is disengaged and it's still sorted on industry percentage price change. Now if I re-engage the combo, we can see where the strength is here based upon the strong momentum intraday effort versus result combo, and you can see that biodelivery systems is on top. And this is a inexpensive stock which has really been on the move for the past several days. You can see the pocket pivots and the demand based upon expansion, contraction, volume, point of control was back here. This stock's been coming up. Inexpensive stock. I really looked at it too many times and I haven't traded it, but as you can see, that was a mistake. Now I'm going to go to the stocks and groups moving down SmartGroups. This works just the opposite. I mean, it goes into the SmartGroups, which are created during the update every night. But these are stocks that are going down rather than going up. So if I click on the end of the day, you can see that my combo rank is industry percentage price change 1 day down. So these are the groups that were down the most at the end of the day. But since I just updated these prices, these are the groups that are down the most today. And looks like renewable energy project is the group, but followed by exploration and production, beverages, and so on. Now, I'm going to take these, do the same thing, take the combo off, move down to the next level, which is the intraday version, and these are you can see that these stocks are continuing down. And if I want to see the stocks that are moving down the most out of this group, at the most, that is today, intraday, I engage the combo. You can see the Pacific Gas and Electric, which is having all kinds of problems in California, as we all know, because of the fires. Look at this stock. It just keeps going down 28% today. Molson Coors Brewing is number 2, minus 338. It was down on Friday. It continues down today. It must have reported earnings last week. McDonald's is down $1.41 at the low end of its range. This has really fallen off too after being a leader for quite some time. So these are all of the stocks, or the top 100 stocks, which are included in this group. And this group here is limits the price from $1 to $15. And the industry percentage price change on Friday. Let's just look at this stock. You can see that it was down on Friday. I'm going to zoom in on this. This was Friday. This is today. And it continues down today. I'm going to take the combo off or disengage the combo. And you can see that which stocks are going down. But here's a reversal today on this one. Educational services up 6.55%. It was down on Friday, but it's reversing, well, big percentage gain on a very inexpensive stock that's in a major downtrend. And I'll engage the combo. If you see blank spaces like this, it just means that Thinkorswim does not support these stocks, even though they're in the database for HGSI. PGC is on top. Nokia is down again. This stock's really been hammered in recent days, and it continues to go down. The old cliche about never catching a falling knife. This is exactly the reason why you don't catch falling knives. Okay, so that's it. Stocks and groups moving up, SmartGroups. Stocks and groups moving down, SmartGroups. You could just limit your prospecting to those two groups, and you'll find plenty of candidates doing that.